Kung may isi-celebrate ka, edi mag-buffet ka na. Mga taga QC, may 50% opening promo ang Vikings The Alley Fairview Terraces until March 7. May birthday promo din, big group discounts at pet-friendly pa. Pagpasok pa lang, wow, ang ganda ng interiors. Meron silang 10 food stations with more than 100 dishes. Hawker Lane has smoked ribs, garlic butter shrimp at Korean bulgogi. Sa La Italiano, may cheese wheel pasta at fresh pizzas. Steak to one, dito ako pabalik-balik. My favorites, roast beef at leg of lamb na nasa sizzling plate pa. Sa Mien Bao, may make your own noodles at grabe, super sarap ng laksa bes. Yatay Station for Japanese food lovers like me, andimaki, sashimi, sushi, tempura. Para sa akin, salmon sashimi pa lang, nako, solved na. Lost and Found sa mahilig mag-snacks ng mini burger, shawarma, nachos, lasap, nako, wag nyo skip. Filipino Station, try beef caldereta at binagoong. Grabe, melts in your mouth. Kung seafood naman trip mo, bag of seafood, andun ang inaabangan ko na cheesy baked oysters at tahong. Must try ang Iloilo Batchoy sa Fichuan Batchoy plus tusok-tusok balls. May salad and dessert station din, appetizers, cheeses at fresh greens. Leave room for dessert sa Honeycomb, may froyo, bibingka, puto bumbong, mini cake, fresh fruits at syempre sa bar, only drinks, cocktails, coffee, and healthy drinks din. So mga best, huwag nyo kalimutang sulitin ang buffet at mga promo dito sa Vikings, The Alley Fairview Terraces. Okay na to? Tara, let's eat!